Is that a print? Look at this. Here's my, that looks like toes there. Heel back here. Is it a print? It's a print of something. Okay, now here's my foot. Put my, let's see how much longer that is. I wear a size 8. It's right here. That looks like toe marks. Barely. Boy, I wish I knew about tracking or how to, then I would know better how to do that. I thought being in the wet we would, see, there's my foot. I'm also looking for something that would look like human doo-doo. All I've seen is cow patties. But I figured this creature would have something like human doo-doo. Is this a track? I don't know. That one over there, though, that's like from here to all the way over there. Surely that's not the stride. Well, yeah, I guess it could be. Is that a track? Wow. Is that another print? You know, this camera's telling me I'm about to run out of battery. Bye-bye from outside of Cloudcroft, New Mexico, 9,000 feet high, well, almost 9,000 feet high. Sacramento Mountains, Lincoln National Forest. Bye-bye.